The Hitachi GSIB innovation process. Hitachi is seeking to grow organically, to grow from within. That's where GSIB comes in. Large companies are as smart as startups. They have great people, assets, channels, and capital. But they can come with some challenges too, such as navigating across global teams, technologies, and departments. That's why GSIB has adopted this proven agile innovation process driven by Silicon Valley methodology. This is not a think tank. This is the real thing. We are creating new businesses and business models, delivering solutions, and solving big problems. It begins with ideation, where innovative ideas originate from a desire to make a difference and solve problems. Ideas come from all of Hitachi and across our ecosystem of customers and partners. The next phase, validation, is when customer insights determine the solution, and we evaluate the business opportunity, taking it into a fundable venture. The incubation phase is when we deliver a minimum viable solution, validated by the customer, along with multiple pilot customers, and our team and infrastructure are ready to scale. The last phase, acceleration, is where we take off. We're standardizing and scaling the business. GSIB new business creation is when ideas turn into the next generation billion-dollar businesses for Hitachi, while creating environmental and societal value. Learn how we are creating opportunities for a better future.